What would I look like with a fringe? Someone said give myself a fringe. Now I don't actually want to cut a fringe before I know what it's going to look like. So let's see. I think the best way to do it is maybe, in my head I have a plan. Let's see if it works. I want to leave some down so I can see. And what if I took a little bit and then put a headband on? What do we think? Like, in my head, I had an idea in my head. I wanted to do the whole thing like that. But then, well, I guess I could try that. Let's try that. Let's try the whole. Figuring out things as we go. I don't want to cut myself a fringe and then look like a mooma. Well, let's see. Let's take out a couple of these. Okay. What do we think about the fringe, people? Hello? I don't know. It's also really hot, so having this fringe is really annoying. I'm not sure if I like it, but I also think it's really weird because it's making my head all pile up. Let me see if I can mush it down on my head, because it's like unnaturally, and my hair is long. What do you think about the fringe, people? Let me know. It would be better if I just have the whole thing back up again, don't you think? Don't you think? Oh dear, what have I done? I feel like I've got a beehive on my head. What do we think? I'm just messing this whole thing up. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! One more try, one more try. This would be me with short hair and a fringe, which is even worse, maybe. Fringe or no fringe? I don't even know if I've ever had a fringe. Maybe when I was really little. Yay or nay? Yay or nay? Well, look, for your request, I gave myself a fringe, so I was truthful on my puppet request. I did not cut the fringe, because I was afraid. But you let me know if it's a yay or nay, and then maybe I'll consider cutting my fringe. Cutting my fringe? Cutting a fringe. Let me know. Oh, my eye's red. Oh, my eye's red.